Hi everyone, I'm Jocelyn Wildwomb, and this is one of my favorite practices for boosting sexual pleasure with a partner or with yourself, feeling sexy in your body and inviting more of a healthy flow of sexual energy in. So I'm so happy to share this with you. If you're just looking to pleasure your partner more, or you're looking to learn more about women's sexuality, this is for you. So this practice is based on traditional Chinese medicine, and it's kind of like a meditation, but also just like embodiment and self-pleasure. And what we'll do today is connect to your breasts and to your yoni, also known as your womb. You can call this whatever you want, but what's most important is this is a healthy way to connect to your sexuality and to pleasure. And it's self-care. It's sexual self-care for women. So you can think of this practice as almost like opening up the flow of sexual energy within your body. You're always connecting to the breasts before you go into the yoni, the womb. This is the path to pleasure. Breasts, then down to the yoni. You ready for the breast to womb meditation? First things first, if you're actually practicing this, make sure you're in a really, really sacred, safe space. Because it's very hard to relax if you've got like your phone notifications going off or you've got your TV on. It's not gonna work. If you're just watching this for pure enjoyment, then there's nothing really to do except enjoy. All right, so you're in a nice space and we're gonna go into the practice now. So you can be seated or you can be lying down. You can be cross-legged, it doesn't matter. Really notice how your body wants to be. And the first step is just kind of greeting your body. Okay, you're greeting your body. And maybe that's touching your body. Maybe that's moving a little bit, right? So maybe taking some circles. Feel into your body. Okay, and as you do this, you really want to notice your breathing as well. Okay, feel your breathing. Okay, and then keep touching your body. Maybe you start at your legs. Maybe you go up your body, the side of your body, to your breasts, your chest, your arms. You can even go all the way up to your head, almost like this beautiful, magical potion of sexuality and confidence, and you're just bringing that potion all over your body, okay? So it's really powerful when you visualize. So if you're good at visualizing, imagining special scenarios, this is the perfect time to be doing it. You're this beautiful goddess, you are covering yourself in this beautiful potion, this elixir, and you're feeling so good, and you're getting every part of your body. Notice your breathing again. Okay, so you don't want to be holding your breath or having short breathing. You want to have a nice, slow, extended breath. Okay, any movement that comes up that feels really natural, you just go into that. Just let yourself feel sensual, let yourself feel good. Maybe you reach up a few times and stretch through your upper body. Okay, so notice that I'm not really thinking about what I'm doing. I'm just moving intuitively. Because when you connect to your sexuality and your feminine energy, it's like this beautiful rhythmic flow. It's not ordered, it's not structured, it's just this beautiful flowing river. Okay, that's your energy, that's your movement. And you do this for as long as you need. As you move through the practice, you can always change how you're seated. If you're like, oh, that feels a little uncomfortable, take a break, move through your legs, just let it feel good. When you're ready, you come back to seated. Okay, so keep that nice gentle breathing going, and maybe we'll start just by taking a few breaths. So really enter this practice. Like, this is the most important thing. There's nowhere to go. There's nothing to do right now. Okay? Inhale, open through your chest. Exhale, drawing in. You can move with your hands if you like with me. Again, notice how that feels. Take a nice big breath in. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. One more, really grounding into your body, maybe bringing your hands to your body. Take a slow breath in. Okay. Moving to your breast. So the order is the breasts down the meridian to the womb. Taking your fingertips. Now you could be naked, ideally, when you do this. But of course, you're going to have to follow the link under this video to see that version of this. Fingertips to the center of your chest, and very softly, you're going to circle your breasts. Very, very softly. Now, as you inhale, that's the first half of the circle. So you inhale from here, around, halfway. And then as you exhale, that's the remaining half. Okay, so that's your breathing. It's so slow and gentle. So we'll do it together now. Inhale around. Exhale down the bottom. Inhale around. Exhale down the bottom. Now you're slowly bringing all of your awareness down into each breast. Consciousness is in each nipple. Inhale. Exhale. Keep following your breath nice and slow. Start to visualize twinkling stars or a healing light on each nipple. Keep going. If you notice your mind wandering, notice the sensation of touch. Come back into your body and keep going. It's okay if your mind wanders, especially if you're new to this, but keep going with it. 2 more rounds we'll do together. So inhaling up and then exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. From here, you will take one hand over your heart and your breasts, the other over your yoni. The hand can be anywhere that you like. You could be on your vulva, but take a few breaths from your heart to your womb now. And you're going to send all that beautiful energy from your heart and your breasts down into your womb. Compassion, kindness, sensuality, softness. Inhale awareness to your heart. Exhale down that beautiful meridian into your yoni, your womb. Once more, inhale up to your heart. Exhale all the way down to your womb. Okay, open palms wide. And exhale, release. I'll invite you to come into a different kind of posture. So you're releasing your legs for a moment, maybe bending them out a few times, moving through your toes, anything that you like. And then you could bring your feet flat, open through your knees, lift through your heart, and just stay here and breathe into your vulva, into your vagina, your vaginal opening. Just stay here. Healing light in this space. All awareness down here. Okay, if you notice your awareness goes to a certain space, you can stay here Otherwise, you can journey through all the parts of your womb, external and internal. Take a breath in, nice and slow. Open your knees slightly, lift your heart. Exhale, draw the knees slightly in, curl round through your spine just a little. Okay, and keep doing that. Inhale, open, feel everything very gentle and relaxed. Exhale, draw down. Inhale, opening up through your womb, through your vulva, your yoni. Exhale, slight rounding through the spine. Last one. This time open even wider. Lift through your heart. Breathe into your womb, your yoni. And exhale to release. You might come to lying down and just bring your hands over your vulva or your inner thighs or lower belly. And just notice how it feels in this space for a moment. And check in with your breasts as well, so you can bring your hands to your breasts. Notice how this space feels. And then feel that connection between the two, the heart to the womb, the uterus to the breasts, maybe one hand on each, and just pause for a moment here. Think of that meridian that goes up and down, and all that beautiful flow of energy that you're opening, like you're unblocking a pathway. Relax your body. Relax your jaw, soften your shoulders, relax your hips, soften through your pelvic muscles. For one more breath. And that's it. All right, so thank you so much for enjoying that practice with me. It's my ultimate fave. So what did we do today? We tapped into your breasts. We honored that meridian from your breasts to your uterus, breathing up and down, opened up through your womb. I shared with you a little bit of the pelvic breathing practice. All of this is for a heightened, healthy version of sexuality, of pleasure. It's beyond any product, any object, any material that you can buy. This is where it starts. It starts from within. So if you're someone who is feeling disconnected from your body, or you're just looking to feel more pleasure with a partner or yourself, start doing these practices every day. If you're someone who's just enjoying this video, or maybe you're looking to pleasure your partner more, really learn from this practice that you start at the breasts before you start accessing the womb. This is going to change a lot. This is going to change the connection, the confidence, and the amount of pleasure that you invite in. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and to also see the full video. Thank you so much.